Hello, my name is Alex Hiller. I'm Head of Postgraduate and Executive Education here at Nottingham Business School in Nottingham in the UK. Welcome to our Belgrave Postgraduate Centre, which is the home for all of the business school postgraduates. And we have a range of different subjects for students to study at postgraduate level, including our MSc in Management, a suite of marketing courses. We have programmes in finance, entrepreneurship, project management, human resource management, business transformation, and other specialisations as well. Also, we run a very successful MBA programme, and we're really excited about that because in addition to our AACSB and EQUIS accreditation, the school has recently been accredited by AMBER, meaning that we're now one of the very small number of business schools in the world to be Triple Crown accredited. Students from Thailand really enjoy studying one of our marketing programs. So we have marketing programs in branding, advertising, digital marketing, marketing and data analytics. And also we're seeing increasing interest in our business analytics programs. So currently we have an MSc in Management with Business Analytics. But next year from 2025, we'll be launching a new Masters in Business Analytics with Artificial Intelligence. So we're really excited about that. So if you're interested in coming and joining us here in the Belgrave building in Nottingham, please do come and speak to hands-on educational consultants and they'll be able to help you throughout all stages of your journey. We look forward to welcoming you here in Nottingham. Bye.